Yesterday, I got an email from Binance that a deposit of 0.00091952 BTC was deposited on my Binance account successfully for free. And out of curiosity, I went to my Binance account and I confirmed that the deposit was successful. This is what the only place I've earned Bitcoin so far. You guys know I don't normally chase Bitcoin, I chase Usdt because it's a stable coin, but this one I got it for free, and I remember when I placed the withdrawal from the site. So in today's video we're going to talk about how I earn this particular Bitcoin and what to do. It's totally free, 100% free. All you have to do for me now is to click on the like on this video if you like what you're seeing. Subscribe to the channel, join me and subscribe to the channel, turn on the notifications so that you get notified on the other updates. And remember, from the update that I'm sharing to you, that is the Bitcoin that I converted to BUSD. That is the same place I got this Bitcoin now that I converted to be 18 BU or 18.2 BUSD. So let's go ahead and see the website. It's not much thing apart from this our already known Satoshi app. You guys know what Satoshi's app? Satoshi app is the app that we mine core. Remember when we mine core and I got 191 pieces of core, and this is the fourth time I'm withdrawing Bitcoin from this particular update, this particular Satoshi app where we mine core. And the reason I'm making this video today is to first of all show you guys that if you still got Bitcoin on your core app, Satoshi app, you can still withdraw it. Look at it over here. This is the withdrawal that I made. You can still withdraw it. All you need to do is to reach the minimum withdrawal. And in today's video, I'm also going to show you guys what to do to reach the minimum withdrawal on it. And remember, it's always free. Everything on Satoshi app is always free. And also, if you don't have a Satoshi app on your phone, you can still go ahead and download it. Why? Because this test coin we're doing here, what they meant is that this other projects are still gonna launch under core under this Satoshi app. Already other projects have been launching under core network, but according to what they told us on this in the app, that other projects are still gonna be mined on core on this Satoshi app, and they have used around 3 coins to test it. Look at it over here. These 3 coins that we're using here now, this one that they're asking me to claim, as in I'm now mining around 3 coins at the same time. Look at it over here. If you click on this place that says project, you see I have around 3 coins being mined so far for me. That means we still have a long way to go with this Satoshi app. It's just that we need to give them time to arrange the things that they are arranging. And remember, you need to go ahead and claim this 50k hash every 24 hours, so that when they finally launch the real token of these coins, we have enough mining rate to start mining. As you can see, my mining hash is 1,022,1.22. that is 1,022,000 pieces of it. If you don't have Satoshi app, maybe you missed call. Don't worry, just download the app, participate in the testnet, receive the 50k hash every day. All these things is not a joke. It is not a joke. So try your best to also, if you have a hash card, go ahead and initiate it and increase your mining rate, so that whenever they are done with what they are doing and start launching other mining projects under this app, sorry for the mistake, under Satoshi app, we have enough hash rate to start mining it. And if you go over to your team, you see that you can still earn Bitcoin from your team. Look at it over here. If you have a new team, you can still be earning Bitcoin just like I'm earning it like this. So this is it. If you reach minimum withdrawal, which is 0.0002, you can easily place withdrawal, and within some hours your withdrawal is gonna come to you. So why I'm making this video is to first of all show you guys that they are still paying free Bitcoin to people that refer people. You can only earn Bitcoin here now for referral. First time your referral sign in, and they will started giving him free Bitcoin. Secondly is to tell you guys to take your Satoshi app serious. If you don't have it, go and download it and keep it on your phone for future use. And also, if you have not withdrawn your core, all you have to do is to click on this place, click on wallet here, go over to core, maybe click on link wallet address, and if you have up to one core, you can link your wallet address, and withdrawal is gonna be on March. I don't know, it's March 10 or whatsoever. So go ahead and link your wallet address. If you don't know how to link your wallet address, just scroll on my video. You will see where I showed you guys how to link your wallet address, how to create the mainnet wallet address and link it to your Satoshi app. So this is the only video I want to show you guys now. See you guys on my next video. Bye.